सेकंड सेमेस्टर मैथमेटिक्स एडवांस स्टेट अलजेब्रा यूनिट 5 का ये लेक्चर 4 है। इस लेक्चर में हम कॉम्प्लेक्स मैट्रिक्स डिफाइन करेंगे, इनहेरिटर ऑफ एन एलिमेंट डिफाइन करेंगे और इन पर बेस्ड एक थ्योरम हम प्रूफ करेंगे। What is a complex matrix? Let f of x x to the power k a k minus 1 x to the power k minus 1 minus a1 x minus a0 be a monic polynomial of degree k। हम k डिग्री का एक मोनिक पोलिनोमियल लेके चल रहे हैं। देन complex matrix of f of x is written by CF. What is it denotes complex matrix of f of x. Obviously complex matrix is defined for a polynomial, a monic polynomial. So, this is denoted by CF and it is a square k by k order matrix. कॉम्प्लेक्स मैट्रिक्स क्या होता है कि अगर पॉलिनोमियल है, इसका डिग्री k है, तो जो कॉम्प्लेक्स मैट्रिक्स होगा वो एक k by k ऑर्डर का स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स होता है। और वो मैट्रिक्स आप बनाएंगे कैसे? एंड defined by this is a matrix of order k by k. We take diagonal elements 0 except this. We take diagonal elements 0 except last element, and its lower diagonal. This is a lower diagonal are 1. So this is 0, 0, 0 and 1. लोअर डायगोनल, डायगोनल की जो नीचे वाला जो रहेगा उसमें सभी जो होंगे 1 होंगे। एंड लास्ट कॉलम, व्हाट विल बी लास्ट कॉलम? लास्ट कॉलम विल बी कोएफिशिएंट्स ऑफ f of x. We start from a0 and then we write sequentially. This is a0, a1, a2 up to ak. It is noted that we take sign opposite. Here sign of a0 is minus, but here we take positive. So we take sign opposite of coefficients and we write it in last column. So a0, a1, a2 up to ak. This will be 0, 0, 0. This will be 0. This will be 0. This is called complex matrix for f of x. For example, suppose f of x is x to the power 3x square plus 4x minus 9. This is a monic polynomial of degree 3. So we have to find its complex matrix. What will be its complex matrix? Its complex matrix CF is equal to, this is a matrix of order 3 by 3. Obviously this is a matrix of order 3 by 3. 3 by 3 order matrix, and we write its coefficients in the last column starting from a0 and we take sign opposite. So this is 9, this is 9 and this is minus 4 and this is minus 3. So 9 minus 4 minus 3, and we take diagonal 0. Diagonal elements are 0 except last element. So again this, and take lower diagonal 1. So this lower diagonal will be 1, diagonal will be 0 except last element, and the last column will be coefficients of f of x with opposite sign. Again we take another example. Suppose f of x is x to the power 5 minus 4 x to the power 3 plus 9x minus 2. This is a polynomial of degree, monic polynomial of degree 5. What will be its complement matrix? This is again a matrix of order 5 by 5. This depends, order depends on its degree. So we take, this is a matrix of order 5 by 5. And we write coefficients sequentially in the last column. Starting from A0 is minus 2, so it will be 2. A1 is, that is a coefficient of x is 9, so this is minus 9. और यहाँ पर ये हमको ध्यान देना है कि जिसका पोलिनोमियल इस पे नहीं है that will be 0. जैसे यहाँ पर x इसका कोफिशिएंट नहीं है तो हमको यहाँ से -9 के बाद 4 स्टार्ट नहीं करना है. जो कोफिशिएंट नहीं है हमको यहाँ से कांस्टेंट टर्म फिर x x² x³ x4 ये सब लेते जाना है और जो मिसिंग टर्म है that will be 0. So x² there is no coefficient of x², so this will be 0. And next is x3 is a 4 because here sign is -4. And x4 is also missing, so we take also that will be 0. So x4 will be 0. This is the last column. Now we take diagonal elements, there is a 2 3 4 5. This will be 1 0 0 0. This is 0 1 0 0. This will be 0 0 1 0, and this will be 0 0 0 0. This is a complement matrix for polynomial f of x. Last column will be coefficients. Diagonals will be 0 except last element. Here last element is also 0. And lower diagonal, this is 1. That is a 1. Lower diagonal element will be 1. 1 1 1 1. This is a complement matrix for this. Now we define annihilator of any element. Annihilator of an element. What will be annihilator? Let T belonging to AV, T is a linear transformation on V, and V is an fx module. Obviously, V is an fx module. Let small v belonging to capital V. Let small v belonging to capital V. Then annihilator of W. Then annihilator of W is written as annihilator of W. This is annihilator of W. And what is this? This is a set. This is a set whose elements come from f of x. Annihilator W is f of x. fx का वह एलिमेंट fx आएगा जिसको w से मल्टीप्लाई करने पर 0 हो जाता है. तो इसका जो कलेक्शन होगा दैट इज एन annihilator of W. Now we shall show annihilator of W is a ideal. Is an ideal. We know f of x is a principal ideal domain. F of x is a principal ideal domain, and annihilator of W is subset of this. So we shall show annihilator of W is an ideal. Is an ideal of capital X. For this, let f of x and a gx belonging to inhalator of W. Let fx and gx belonging to inhalator of W. Then f of x w and gx w will be 0. But if it is not inhalator, now fx minus gx w is fx w minus gx w, and this is 0 minus 0, so this is 0. Again hx into f of x w. Suppose hx is any element of capital F of x. This is any element of capital F of x. Then hx fx w is hx f of x w, and this is hx into 0 because f of x w is 0. So this is 0. Therefore, fx minus gx belonging to inhalator of w, and hx into gx again belonging to inhalator of w for every hx belonging to fx and f of x belonging to inhalator of w. So this implies inhalator of W is an ideal of f of x. So inhalator W is an ideal of f of x, but f of x is a principal ideal domain, but f of x is a principal ideal domain. So inhalator of W is a principal ideal. So it is generated by f of x. So it is generated by f of x for some fx belonging to capital F. तो inhalator जो होता है किसी एलिमेंट पर डिफाइन किया जाता है. And what is the inhalator of W? It is an ideal of capital F of x. और inhalator के elements क्या होते हैं जिसको W से ऑपरेट करने पर उनको 0 मिलता है. Since this is an ideal of capital F of x and the capital F of x is a principal ideal domain, so it is again a principal ideal. So inhalator W is a ideal generated by a polynomial. We can also take f of x as a monic polynomial. If an ideal is generated by f of x is any polynomial, then taking gx is, suppose its coefficient is a, taking gx is a inverse f of x. Suppose its leading coefficient, f of x leading coefficient is a, then we multiply fx by a inverse. This is a gx. So if it is generated by f of x, then it is also generated by g of x. ये कांस्टेंट टर्म से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. अगर ये fx से जनरेट हो रहा है तो gx से भी जनरेट होगा. तो इनहेरिटेड ऑफ w जिसे जनरेट होता है उसको हम एक मोनिक पोलिनोमियल की तरह ट्रीट कर सकते हैं. इट इज जनरेटेड बाय अ मोनिक पोलिनोमियल. और इसी पर बेस्ड हम एक थ्योरम प्रूफ करना चाह रहे हैं. Now what is the theorem? Let W be a t-cyclic subspace of capital V. Let W be a t-cyclic subspace of capital V where T belonging to AV. Where T belonging to AV and TW t square w up to t to the power k minus 1 w is a basis of कैपिटल W। इसके पहले जो हम थ्योरम प्रूफ किए थे कि W अगर एक टी साइक्लिक सब स्पेस है तो इस प्रकार एक बेसिस हमको मिलेगा कैपिटल W का। तो हम यहाँ पर लेके चल रहे हैं कि W एक टी साइक्लिक सब स्पेस है कैपिटल B का, जहाँ पर T एक लीनियर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन है B में, और मान के चल रहे हैं कि W T to the power k minus 1 W is a basis of capital W। Then matrix of T, the matrix of T on W related to this basis is a companion matrix, is a companion matrix of a monic polynomial f of x, where inheritor of W is f of x. This is a theorem and it is important. Now we again discuss on its statement. Let W be a T-cyclic subspace of capital V, where T is a linear transformation around V, and W T to the power k minus W is a basis of capital W. Then matrix of T, since W is invariant, so T elements of W maps on elements of W. तो यहां से T को हम इसमें रिस्ट्रिक्ट कर सकते हैं, we restrict T on this कैपिटल W। इस W पर इसका मैट्रिक्स क्या होगा रिलेटेड टू दिस बेसिस। हमको निकालना है कि T का, क्योंकि ये जो बेसिस है वो कैपिटल W का है, तो T का इस बेसिस के रिस्पेक्ट में मैट्रिक्स क्या होगा, व्हाट विल बी मैट्रिक्स ऑफ कैपिटल W। तो ये बोलना चाह रहे हैं कि जो T का जो मैट्रिक्स मिलेगा वो एक अब जो पॉलिनोमियल fx का कॉम्पोनेंट मैट्रिक्स होता है। अभी जस्ट हमने एक कॉम्पोनेंट मैट्रिक्स निकाला है, तो ये एक पॉलिनोमियल fx का कॉम्पोनेंट मैट्रिक्स होता है, एंड व्हाट विल बी fx क्या होगा, दैट इज एन इनहेरिटर ऑफ W। ये जो W का जो इनहेरिटर जो निकलेगा वो जिससे जनरेट होगा f of x, उसी f of x का कॉम्पोनेंट मैट्रिक्स होगा इसका जो इस बेसिस का मैट्रिक्स। ये हमको शो करना है। प्रूफ, let W be a T-cyclic subspace of capital V, and where T is a linear transformation, where T is a linear transformation on capital V. Suppose W TW up to t to the power k minus 1 W is a basis of capital W. Now let inheritor of W, हमने प्रूफ किया है कि किसी एलिमेंट का जो इनहेरिटर होता है that is a principal idea and it is generated by a monic polynomial। तो मान के चलते हैं कि इनहेरिटर ऑफ W जो है वो एक मोनिक पोलिनोमियल fx से जनरेट होता है। हमको दिखाना है कि T का इसके रिस्पेक्ट में जो मैट्रिक्स होगा दैट विल बी कॉम्पोनेंट मैट्रिक्स ऑफ f of x। Clearly t to the power k W is a linear combination of W TW up to t to the power k minus 1 W, since that set is the basis of capital W and the t to the power k W is an element of W, so t k W can be written as a linear combination of this. Let t k W is a0 W plus a1 TW plus a2 t square w plus ak minus 1 t to the power k minus 1 w. Now we take this. Suppose this is equation 1. This implies tkw minus ak minus 1 t to the power k minus 1 w minus ak minus 2 t to the power k minus 2 w up to minus a1 tw minus a0 w. This is 0. And this implies h to the power kw minus ak minus 1 h to the power k minus 1 w. By definition of x on w, so we can take x k minus 1 w is t to the power k minus 1 w minus ak minus 2 x to the power k minus 2 w up to minus a1 x w minus a0 w, and this will be 0. So this implies x to the power k minus ak minus 1 x to the power k minus 1 minus ak minus 2 x to the power k minus 2 minus a1 x minus a0 w. This is equal to 0. This implies x to the power k minus ak minus 1 x to the power k minus 1 up to minus a1 x minus a0 belonging to एनिहिलेटर ऑफ W. हमने एनिहिलेटर डिफाइन किया है, वो सभी पॉलिनोमियल का कलेक्शन है जिसको W पे ऑपरेट करने पर 0 मिलता है. सो दिस इज एलिमेंट ऑफ एनिहिलेटर एंड दिस इज जनरेटेड बाय f of x. ये f of x से जनरेट होता है, एक मोनिक पॉलिनोमियल है. अब ये जनरेटेड बाय a, x सपोज x belonging to जनरेटेड बाय a, so obviously x is multiplication of a by elements of R. So this implies obviously a divides. This implies okay, a divides x. If x is this, then a divides x. Yeah. Okay. So this polynomial is generated by f of x. f of x में अगर हम कुछ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे fx के एलिमेंट्स का तो हमको ये मिलता है. इससे ये प्रूफ होता है कि इसका जो डिग्री होगा वो इसके डिग्री से छोटा होगा. एंड दिस इंप्लाइज डिग्री ऑफ f of x. सपोज दिस इज s. दिस इंप्लाइज डिग्री ऑफ fx s is less or equal than k. Suppose this is equation 2. Sorry, this is equation 2. Again, fx w is 0. fx जो है उसे जनरेट होता है, fx w is 0. So this implies, suppose f of x is x to the power s plus b s minus 1 x to the power s minus 1 plus b1 x प्लस b0. fx एक मोनिक पॉलिनोमियल है जिसका डिग्री s है. मान के चलते हैं कि fx हमारा ये है. सो दिस इंप्लाइज fx w, again fx w is 0. Since fx is element of annihilator, so let me then fx w is 0, and this implies x to the power s plus b s minus 1 x to the power s minus 1 b1 x plus b0 w is equal to 0, and this implies x to the power s w plus bs minus 1 x to the power s minus 1 w plus b1xw plus b0 is equal to 0, and this implies tsw plus bs minus 1 ts minus 1 w plus b1tw plus b0w is equal to 0. b0w equal to 0, and this implies tsw is minus bs minus 1 ts minus 1 w minus b1tw minus b0w. तो इससे ये पता चलता है कि TSW is a linear combination of this. So that is TSW is a linear combination of W TW up to TS minus 1 W, and this implies S is greater or equal than K. इसलिए क्योंकि हम मान के चल रहे हैं कि W TW up to T to the power K minus 1 W is a basis of capital W. So it is a linearly independent. So T K minus 1 W cannot be written as a linear combination of precedings. So यहाँ से प्रूफ होता है कि S का मान जो होगा वो ये जो S होगा वो ग्रेटर इक्वल देन K होगा, क्योंकि TSW जो है वो इन सभी का लीनियर कॉम्बिनेशन है। तो S अगर लेस देन K होगा तो यहाँ से हो जाएगा कि T just suppose S is K minus 1, then T K minus 1 W is a linear combination of this, and this is wrong because this is a linearly independent set. So value of S is at least K, कम से कम K होगा या K से बड़ा होगा, K से छोटा नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि they are linearly independent. Suppose this is equation 3. From 2 and 3, S is equal to K. Therefore, degree of f of x is K. जो डिग्री ऑफ f of x हम s लेके चल रहे हैं, that is a K. अब यहां से so f of x is multiplication of c into x to the power k, x k minus 1, a k minus 1, x to the power k minus 1 up to minus a1x minus a0. अब यहां से क्योंकि fx का भी डिग्री k है और fx जो होता है वो इसको डिवाइड करता है, fx divides this, and the degree of fx and this polynomial is same k. So fx is constant multiple of this, so fx is just constant multiple of this. And equating coefficient, since fx is a monic polynomial और यहाँ पर ये भी एक monic polynomial है, तो c का अगर coefficient हम कलेक्ट करें comparing coefficients of both sides, then we get c is equal to 1. Therefore f of x is equal to x to the power k minus a k minus 1 x to the power k minus 1 minus a1x minus a0. तो हमने ये प्रूफ किया कि इनहेरिटर ऑफ w जो है जिससे जनरेट हो रहा है मोनिक पोलिनोमियल से, that monic polynomial is x to the power k minus a k minus 1 x to the power k minus 1 minus a1x minus a0. Now we find matrix of T on W with respect to basis W TW up to T to the power k minus 1 W. हम निकालना चाहते हैं कि T का इस पर मैट्रिक्स क्या है, तो फर्स्ट हम इस पे TW लेके चल रहे हैं, T on W. So TW is just TW, and so this is 0 into W plus 1 into TW plus 0 into T to the power k minus 1 W. If you write TW in a linear combination of this, so we get like this. And again define T on TW. So this will be T square W. So this will be T square W, and this is 0 into w plus 0 into tw plus 1 into t square w plus 0 into t to the power k minus 1 w. So continuing this, we get last term is t to the power k minus 1 w, and the t to the power k minus 1 w is a tkw. This is tkw, and what is the tkw? Tkw is this. tkw is a0w plus a1tw plus ak minus 1 e to the power k minus 1 w. From what? From 1 tkw is this. So matrix of this, what will be matrix of this? Therefore matrix is equal to, it's a transpose, so we take column in right, so this is 0 0 0 and a0. Next is column 1 0 a, so this is 1 0 0 a1. Again this is 0 1 0 0 a2, and continuing this we get 0 0 0. This is 1, and the last term is ak minus 1. This is ak minus 1. This is a matrix, and this matrix is a component matrix of f of x, and this is component matrix of f. Hence matrix of t on w with respect to basis w tw up to t to the power k minus 1 w is a component matrix, of polynomial f of x, where if any letter of w is f of x. Henceforth